Hey there, it's Aubrey with Experian, and I've got 5 quick tips to improve your credit scores. Number 1, make credit payments on time. Sounds obvious, but on time, late, and missed payments are a huge part of your scores. You could also use Experian Boost to help you get credit for payments that aren't traditionally reported to the credit bureaus, including eligible rent, utilities, cell phone, insurance, and some streaming subscriptions. 2, catch up on past due accounts. Late payments can impact your credit scores for up to 7 years, so keep those accounts current. 3, pay down high revolving account balances. If your account balances are high, even if payments are on time, it can lead to a high credit utilization rate, which hurts your credit score. 4, build and diversify your credit file. That means having accounts that are reported to the major credit bureaus. If you're just getting started, consider opening an account like a credit card, but be sure to pay it off each month. Another option? Become an authorized user on a loved one's account, but only if the account has a positive payment history. And remember, having a good credit mix, like a credit card plus a car loan or a mortgage, helps your scores. And 5, limit how often you apply for new credit accounts. While you may need to open a credit card or a line of credit to build your credit file, you're going to want to limit how often you submit a credit application, as each application can lead to a hard inquiry, which can have a compounding effect on your credit scores. Knowing where you're at and tracking your progress is always important. So, if you want a quick way to automatically track your credit score, get a breakdown of what's impacting it, or even check your FICO score for free, download the Experian app now.